G'day, my name's Lester Dillon. I'm the Facilities Manager at St Paul's Grammar School. Basically, I look after 60 acres of school property. I look after a team of 4 staff in the Facilities Department. We cater for everything from events to maintenance to turf management.
My name's Grant Levy. I'm Head of Sport at St Paul's Grammar School. Sport's really important here at St Paul's Grammar.
The main oval that we're on at the moment is on the southern side of the school.
In the past, we've had some issues with the oval in terms of its drainage. It gets quite wet. We've lost a lot of games to wet weather.
So we got the Husqvarna CEORA Robotic Mower 6 months ago.
It's been a bit of a godsend for the school, actually. Because of its lightweight nature, we're able to get on the pitch a little bit more often to mow it.
Going from autumn into winter, the fields have just been absolutely immaculate. The grass is spreading out and just becoming like a mat.
So the CEORA has been really important in getting games on at the school and I guess minimising washouts.
We've been able to drop the cutting height, and that's really given an advantage for a lot of the students who play at a high rep level. Having a fast pitched grass oval is quite a rarity. A lot of the fields are synthetic, so having a field at this level has really been noticed throughout the schools and the competition when they come to St Paul's.
The technology of the CEORA has been a game changer for our school, just in terms of reducing man hours.
What it's done is freed up manpower to be able to look after the school's needs in more critical and more urgent areas. So when we came to setting up the zones, we did have to tailor make it. This field has permanent soccer nets, and we've had to have them as exclusion zones. We also have behind me the cricket pitch, which is AstroTurf, and then we have a training field. So we've actually got quite a few different areas. To be able to set up areas, different exclusion zones, the cutting height, different patterns and designs we can do as well, it just shows the versatility of the CEORA. When we purchased the CEORA, it came with hypercare. Our local Husqvarna dealer, he could actually see what we can see via the app. Harry would be able to come out or give me a call straight away, actually identifying the issue. Having someone or a dealership who's willing to work closely with you speaks volumes for what the product is. The maintenance involved compared to a diesel or petrol motor, the CEORA is pretty much maintenance free. We rotate the blades, we give it a bit of a hose, bit of a wash down, and she's good to go.
Yeah, St Paul's prides itself on being at the top of cutting edge technology. Got the Innovation Learning Centre, really strong sewage treatment systems here, solar panels, and now the CEORA lawnmower is really helping out that as well.
Having something which is reliable, cost effective, and something which adds value to your team and to the school, it's just invaluable to us. Like we can't be happier with that product.